Hi everyone, in this video we will be talking about how you can become a data analyst in 2023 or how I become a data analyst if I had to start all over again. So yeah, let's get started into it. So the thing that attracted me most about this role was the non-coding role and also the pay scale. You will be paid like a software developer and you have to code nothing for it, which was something that I was awestruck by. So after searching a lot over the internet, I came to the conclusion that the skills required to become a data analyst could be learned on your own. You don't need to spend a lot of money on the institutes that are available for data analysis courses because these skills are readily available over YouTube or through documentation on Google. So I chose to learn it on my own. Obviously you can if you can afford, you can do that, but not many of us could afford such courses. So yeah, you can do the self learning. You don't need to worry over that. Well, if you still don't know who is a data analyst is someone who collects the data from certain source and brings out beautiful insights from it, which is beneficial for company, organization or individual. So when I started searching for a job in data analysis, I could see the number of job openings were increasing day by day, and it was in the late 2020, which was the COVID year. Even though people were losing their jobs, the demand of data was not decreasing. It was exponentially increasing even on that time as well. And even still now, job openings are quite good. If I see it on LinkedIn or Naukri, 89,000 job posts are recent job posts for this particular job. But the problem is that the number of people applying to such jobs are quite high. If you see the fact that 8,000 people have applied for one single job post, which is creating a frustration in the people who are preparing for data analyst or data science role. So I can feel your pain, but the thing is that you are the 8,000 people who are applying for such job posts are not your competitor. So it's similar to the fact that you are applying for an IIT college and you have not read the book called H.C. Verma. So let's just know what are the required skills to become a data analyst in 2023. So first one is Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python, NumPy, Pandas, which are Python libraries. So I think that's all. What do you think of it? Do let me know in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer all of your queries. Along with a curated project, what do you think? Are these the right skills to become a data analyst in 2023? If you're asking me my answer would be no. And the reason behind that is the migration towards cloud. Companies have migrated towards cloud very rapidly in past few years. And the reason behind that is its scalability and its productivity, obviously. So the people are choosing to move towards cloud. And if you know the cloud platforms such as Salesforce, AWS, Azure, SAP, so these kind of platforms are cloud platforms. If you have the knowledge of these platforms, combining the knowledge of data analysis, you are very easily hired by the recruiters because of the fact that very less people are skilled into it, and recruiters are not interested in hiring two people for doing one single job. So that's the reason they are like investing their money in hiring a certain individual. They are happy to pay you more, but they are not interested in hiring two people for the same role. So the kind of roles that recruiters are looking for in a data analyst are Azure Data Analyst, Salesforce Business System Analyst, Salesforce Analyst, Salesforce Business Intelligence Analyst, AWS Analyst, and many more. So if you're someone who is looking for a job in data analysis, I would definitely ask you to learn cloud computing to the core, because this will definitely give you a job which you're looking for from a very long time. And if you're really willing to become a data analyst, you need to go through mathematics skills as well. In mathematics, you need to learn statistics and probability. Second thing is little bit of linear algebra and little bit of calculus. You don't need to go through entire calculus or entire linear algebra. Just few basic things you need to know. The reason behind that is you have to go through a lot of formulas in your daily routine while being a data analyst. So when you when you're working in an Excel sheet and you don't know how this formula is working, so how would you do the task effectively? So you need to know these things, because otherwise your job will be very hard for you. So yeah, mathematics is mandatory to become a data analyst, and I would recommend you to learn it through the NCERT books, which is for the 11th and 12th book. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any query or suggestion for me, please do write it in the comment section below. I really appreciate your time in writing such comments. And yeah, stay tuned until we meet next time. Bye bye.